With hands-on question, you can assess candidates on real-world application-based knowledge. This way, you hire talent who are ready to contribute immediately, reducing the learning curve and getting up to speed faster. At VCP, we offer a variety of hands-on questions that allow you to assess a candidate's technical aptitude. These questions present real-world challenges relevant to different job roles. Let's take a look at the different types of questions and the use cases we support. Firstly, we have programming questions. These are typically used to assess knowledge of data structures, algorithms, and coding, and are suitable for both freshers and experienced individuals. As you can see, we support various compilers across a wide range of languages. Next, we have the database question type. These questions are used to evaluate a candidate's database skills, such as MS SQL, SQL, or MySQL. This helps determine a candidate's suitability for DBA-specific roles. Our third question type is the data science question. These questions involve various Python and R libraries used for data science tasks. You can see some of these libraries listed here. You can use the compiler to change or restrict the language used. Moving on, we have machine learning questions. These questions are designed for hackathon-level challenges related to machine learning, such as training a model or tuning hyperparameters. These questions come with a specific machine learning judge to evaluate the submission and its accuracy. Next, we have the DevOps question type. These questions are typically used to test tasks specific to network engineers, particularly those related to operating systems like Linux or Windows. For example, here we have a Linux task. The candidate is given a Linux virtual machine where they can type terminal commands and perform all operations they would on a traditional Linux environment. Finally, we have the project question type. These questions involve building a full-stack application or a specific VCP stack. The candidate is given an application to build and must complete the relevant pieces of code and add the missing features to create a complete application. These tasks are auto-evaluated using tests written specifically for them. As you can see on my screen, we can evaluate these using the test cases here, and it will generate a report. If the candidate successfully solves all the test cases, the same report is shared with them. Get the insights you need to hire candidates who can immediately add value, reducing onboarding time and boosting team productivity. Ready to hire talent that delivers from day one? Start using hands-on questions with VCP and make impactful hires today.